Hey everybody, back with a really quick video. I'm really excited about this one. This is my car dealership campaign. So I have a friend over in Fremont, California, who sells cars at the Volkswagen dealership. And I've never got car dealership leads before. And so this is my first time. So I'm pretty excited and proud of myself to say that I'm, getting them for less than $7 per lead so far. So let me tell you what happened when this campaign first started. When the campaign first started, I had one lead for $2, right? And it was this number 5. And then as time went on, none of these other ones were getting any leads. So one of the things I like to do is if I'm running a campaign with a high budget. So this one, every campaign that you see here is at $155 per day. So this campaign down here is a solar campaign. This we can ignore this for now because we're just talking about car dealerships. But so for this one, I put it 155 bucks a day, and at $20, I was gonna kill them all if they didn't produce anything. I would have even would have went to about 30 bucks to see what would have happened. So far he's already got some leads, and he's already booked one appointment that I know of. So the first lead that came in at $2, he actually booked that lead to come in. So I'm going to follow up with him to see exactly how the other leads are doing. And let's refresh this. So today's July 18th, 2020. Let's refresh it. Woo! Look at that. So we got this one, number 5, with another lead. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 4 leads for less than $6 per lead now. So let's see how this continues to go. At this point, because I'm in a good mood, I'm probably gonna let these go to 30 bucks and see what happens. All of these are different interests, different targeting, but with the same video. So this is actually a video ad that I'm doing with some other magic that I put into it. So we'll give you guys an update there. Also, I have a theory. I think that Facebook charges you more based on your budget. So I actually made these campaigns to start tomorrow. So you'll see these Volkswagen dealership leads, $10 here. So these are going to be at 10 bucks a day. I just think that Facebook takes advantage of people with bigger budgets, but I won't know until I test it. So I'm going to test these. These ads will actually start tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, really excited about this. First time trying to do this niche in this industry and helping out somebody that has that works at a car dealership. So this is pretty awesome. Hope you guys are having a great Saturday. I will talk to you all later.